I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start fixing Spotlight right now by preparing the upload environment. First, make sure your app is updated and your account is verified so uploads aren't blocked. Once done, clear Snapchat's cache to remove corrupted temporary files that can stop processing. Then connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Mobile data often times out mid-process. These steps reduce common failure points and prepare your clip so Spotlight can accept it without failing in the initial handshake. Now you'll handle the technical middle steps, reformat and reupload. Convert your video to the vertical 9:16 frame and encode with H.264 so Snapchat recognizes it reliably. This is why many third-party edits fail. Trim to under 60 seconds and compress if the file exceeds 50 MB to avoid network timeouts. Then either upload from Snapchat's camera roll import or record final touches in the app. Using the native camera often bypasses compatibility issues and guarantees Spotlight processing. Finish by confirming your upload and knowing one strong troubleshooting tip. After you submit, check the Spotlight tab over the next 24 to 48 hours. Processing can be delayed. If it fails, make sure Snapchat has storage and camera permissions enabled, then retry with a newly exported file. Permission issues or corrupted metadata commonly block final processing. If problems persist, capture the upload ID and screenshots and contact Snapchat support so they can trace server logs and resolve account-specific blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.